Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel where we make home buying as easy as pie. Did you know you can buy a house with zero money down? Yes, you heard that right, $0. Yep, you heard that right. No need to break the bank or empty your savings account. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the secrets of buying a home without dipping into your savings. It's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. There are several options available that can help you achieve this dream. First up, let's talk about VA loans. These are a fantastic option for many. If you're a veteran, active duty service member, or an eligible family member, a VA loan might be your ticket to homeownership with zero down payment. It's a benefit you definitely want to take advantage of. The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs backs these loans, offering competitive interest rates and no private mortgage insurance. This can save you a lot of money in the long run. It's a huge perk for those who've served our country. It's a way to say thank you for your service, that's right. Now let's move on to another great option. Next, we have USDA loans. These are not just for farms as many people think. No, it's not just for farms. You can use these loans for homes in rural and even some suburban areas. The U.S. Department of Agriculture offers zero down payment mortgages for rural and suburban homebuyers. This can be a great option if you're looking to live outside the city. As long as you meet the income eligibility and the property is in a USDA-approved area, you could be moving in with no money down. It's a fantastic opportunity for many families. Now let's chat about down payment assistance programs. These can be a lifesaver. Many states and local governments offer grants and loans to help with down payments. These programs can make a huge difference. These programs often cater to first-time homebuyers or those in specific professions like teachers or first responders. It's a way to support those who support our communities. It's worth checking out what's available in your area. You might be surprised at the assistance you can get. Don't forget about mortgage lenders. They can also offer some great options. Some lenders offer their own zero down payment mortgage programs. These can be very competitive. For example, Navy Federal Credit Union has one specifically for its members. It's always worth asking your lender what they can offer. It's always a good idea to shop around and see what different lenders can offer you. You might find a deal that suits your needs perfectly. Remember, while buying with zero down is possible, it's crucial to consider other costs like closing fees, home insurance, and property taxes. These can add up quickly. Make sure you have a budget that includes these expenses to avoid any surprises. Planning ahead is key, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to buying a home with zero down. Buying a home with zero down is more accessible than you might think. With the right information and a bit of research, you can make it happen. With VA loans, USDA loans, down payment assistance programs, and special lender programs, your dream home could be closer than you realize. It's all about finding the right fit for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home buying tips. We have plenty more advice to share. Y'all take care now. We appreciate you joining us. Catch y'all in the next video. Happy house hunting.